Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall LocalSend from your device step by step. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, planning to reinstall the app, or simply no longer need it, removing LocalSend is a quick and easy process. So let's get started. First, make sure LocalSend is completely closed. If the app is still running, exit it and check your system tray or background apps to ensure it's no longer active. You can also open Task Manager on Windows and end any LocalSend processes if necessary. Next, open the Settings app on your Windows computer and go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Use the search bar to find LocalSend in the list of installed applications. Once you've located LocalSend, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Uninstall. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. After the app has been removed, it's a good idea to restart your computer. This helps clear any remaining background processes and ensures the application has been fully removed from your system. If you decide to use LocalSend again in the future, simply download the latest version from the official LocalSend website or your device's app store and install it normally. You'll then be ready to start sharing files again, and that's it. You now know how to uninstall LocalSend safely from your Windows computer. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next